This is an addition to the double dot stitch. In my previous tutorial I showed you how to crochet this double dot. It's crocheted these are single crochets, and these are 5 double crochets on this side and 5 on the other side. And this one this was with a double strand of yarn, and this is with a single strand. And the difference is that I crochet 7 double crochets instead of 5. So 7 on this side and 7 on that side. And now I want to show you one with a triple crochet and slightly thicker yarn. I want to crochet it in the 3rd stitch from the corner. So single crochet, and I don't finish it. I finish it with a collar. Leave about 10 to 15 centimeters hanging, and then I'm going to crochet 5 triple crochets, but I don't finish them. So 1, yarn over twice, put your hook through, pull the yarn through, and then pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops like you would do normally. And then you would finish it off with this through the last 2 loops, but now you leave it, and I'm going to yarn over twice again, pull through 2, leave it, yarn over twice, through 2, through 2. So now I have 3 triple crochets, 4, 5, and now I'm going to pull the thread through all 5 loops, 6 loops. Sorry, I keep forgetting this is a loop as well. I'm going to pull this snug and the white yarn too, and now I'm going to crochet 4 chains. The first one is where you crochet the rest of the triple crochets, and this is the first triple crochet. So yarn over twice, again through here underneath there, pull your yarn through 2 loops, through 2 loops. So that's 2 triple crochets, yarn over twice into the first chain. Oh, sorry, did I do it twice? I can't remember. Okay, through 2, through 2. Yeah, so now I have 3 triple crochets, yarn over twice into the first chain, pull through 2 loops and 2 loops, one more time, 1, 2. So now I have 5 triple crochets, and I'm going to finish it off with a white yarn through all 5 loops, and then into the same stitch as the double dot, put my hook through and pull the yarn through, and also through the white loop. And then I'm going to continue with the last 2 single crochets. See, this is the difference in size. So you can just play with it, whatever you like. You can also use different kinds of yarn. You could use a hairy yarn or cotton or wool, doesn't really matter. And then you finish it off just like I showed you in my previous video. Hope you like it. Enjoy!